Hey everybody, it's me, Wendy B with the Southwest Ford Experience, and we are in North Fort Myers today. We are at 3436 Crosswater Drive and Magnolia Landing.
Magnolia Landing is a golf course community with a community pool, cabanas, and tennis and pickleball. HOA is only $251 per month. This two-bedroom, two-bath residence is only $335,000. Open house today until 3 p.m. Happy Sunday. This residence is furnished.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking to buy in this community, give me a call at 239